How to hide one person on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide one person on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it depends on what you're really talking about, because if you want to certainly hide a person from your Facebook, you can simply unfriend them or you can simply block them. But I'm assuming that what you're talking about is you want to hide your one friend from some other friends, so that when they see your friends list, they'll not be able to see the person that is currently friend with you on Facebook, right? So that's what you're talking about. So there are a couple of things that you can do. Instead, what you can actually do is you can hide the entire friend list from everybody, so that no one else will be able to view your friends list. Other thing what you can do is you can still actually unfriend them on Facebook, but if you want you can chat with them on Messenger. If I go ahead and open my Messenger app, and then I simply go ahead and open up a specific person's profile over here, I'm friends with this person, but I can basically go ahead and then unfriend this person as well. Now even if I unfriend this person, I will still be able to message them, as you can see, and when somebody search for this person's name on your Facebook profile, they will not be able to find it on your friends list. This is one thing you can do. But if this option is not convenient for you, you can actually hide your entire friends list by tapping on the profile icon from the top right, scroll down, go to settings and privacy option, then go to privacy shortcuts, and then over here go to see more privacy settings. Once you go to see more privacy settings over here, you'll find all these options where you have to go to the one that says how people can find and contact you, right? So just tap on it. Over here you can see who can see your friends list. You want to make sure that this is set to only me, because when you set this to only me, no one else is going to be able to view your friends list. And this is how you can hide one single person. As I said, you can either choose to unfriend and still talk to them on Messenger, or you can simply hide your entire friends list itself. This is the only thing that you can do. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.